All right, here it comes. Check out my fishing pole. I had to fix it with my wrench, my screwdriver, and my pressure gauge. I'll still get him in.
Tape.
I'll still get him in. Where's he at? Where's he at? Here he comes, Ralph. Get closer and look at him. Look for him.
There it is right here.
Here, I'll hold the camera. You grab the net. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Here.
Hold on, I'm giving some slack. He's wanting to go. Hold on. Here, I'll record and you get at him. Ready? All right, got him. Got him. Yeah. Ralph thought I was recording me the whole time, not you. I had it backwards. I said I was recording me, not you, the whole time. You got him? Screws up here, just grab him. Let's go up here where you don't fall in the water. Okay. All right. Okay. Nice one.
Yeah, my line. The line's wrapped up in my line right here.
I know my grab. Oh, fuck.
There we go.
Okay.
The other way, you're wrapped in my line. You have to go underneath.
Okay.
You have to go underneath.
Here, I'll get him out. He swallowed it. All right, there you go. There he is. And that's how you do it. I think these guys over here might be getting some right over there.